Hello children, let us start to discuss some assertion reason type questions from the chapter polynomial. The question number 1. Assertion: a cubical polynomial has exactly two zeros and reason is number of zeros of a polynomial is equal to its degree. Here, assertion is wrong since a cubic polynomial has at most 3 zeros, that is maximum number of zeros for a cubic polynomial is 3. Then, the reason is false since it is not specified that p of x must be a polynomial and only says that the power of x is the degree, highest power of x is the degree. And also we know that fractional powers are not allowed in a polynomial. The next question. Degree of polynomial p of x equal to 5x raised to 7 plus 8x raised to 4 minus 4 is 7. And reason is degree of polynomial can never be a fractional or negative. Here assertion and reason are correct since we know that for a polynomial the highest power of the variable is the degree of that polynomial, and we know that the degree of polynomial cannot be a fraction or negative. Then third one, assertion: the only zero of zero polynomial is 0 and the reason is zeros of a polynomial are given by solving the polynomial p of x equal to 0. Then assertion is false since there are infinite number of zeros for a zero polynomial, and reason is correct. We know that when p of x equal to 0, then we get the zero of that polynomial. Then question number 4, assertion: if graph of a polynomial intersect x-axis exactly at 3 points, then it is a cubic polynomial. And the reason: number of zeros of a polynomial is always less than or equal to degree of that polynomial. The assertion is false because polynomial of degree greater than 3 can also have zeros. That means if a polynomial of degree 4, it should intersect the x-axis at more than 3 points. So assertion is wrong. That means this type of polynomial intersect more than 3 points at x-axis. That means the degree greater than or greater than 3. The polynomial of degree greater than 3 will intersect the x-axis more than 3 points, and the reason is correct. Question number 4. Assertion: negative 2 and negative 3 are the zeros of x square plus 5x plus 6. And reason: a number, that is real number, k is said to be 0 of p of x if p of a equal to 0. Here both the statements are correct. Here we know that x square plus 5x plus 6, we will get the negative 2 and negative 3 are zeros. And if we substituting x equal to negative 2 and x equal to negative 3, p of x will be 0. Therefore, assertion and reason are correct.